If you own a travel trailer or a motorhome, you know that one of the best feelings in the world is the freedom of hitting that open road. But one of the most crappy feelings is having to use one of these standard grease guns that just completely makes a mess of everything. I keep it in a bag and in a box because it just leaks over everything. After you use this, there's grease on the steering wheel, the radio knobs, the door handles, like it just ends up getting everywhere and you have no idea how it gets there. I already got some on me, just opening the bag. That's why I'm so happy that we found Lube Shuttle. You can get this LI-143 Fleet Defense, which is engineered for fleet maintenance. And just watch how easy this is. You take the cap off, you push up on the rear follower plate till you get like a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch of grease sticking out the top of the tube, and then you just thread it into the grease gun. No spring, no plunger, no mess, no headache. And then you're good to go. You just start pumping. So easy, so clean. This is the only grease gun I'm not afraid to keep in my motorhome. It's not gonna leak, it's not gonna make a mess. So save yourself the headache, get yourself one of these Lube Shuttle grease guns.